Bob Marley One Love earns US 80 million globally since release. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Bob Marley One Love biopic garnered an estimated 80 million US dollars globally as of Sunday following its Valentine's Day opening. According to an article by the Associated Press, the film made 14 million in North America on the first day only, a record of a midweek debut. The biopic, which focuses on Bob Marley's life from 1976 to 1978, was made at the cost of $70 million and distributed by Paramount Pictures. The film covers Bob's survival of an assassination attempt, the production of his album Exodus while in exile in London, his cancer diagnosis, and the One Love concert that the reggae legend has been renowned for. The story of Bob Marley, played by British actor Kingsley Ben-Adir, was told through the recollection of Ziggy Marley, widow Rita Marley, played by British actor Lashana Lynch, and others who knew him well. The movie was shot in the beautiful Caribbean island of Jamaica and the United Kingdom. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.